M12 fuel Milwaukee. Let's get it. Yeah, my forehead looks huge in this hat. God, there we go. Like a fake Slim Shady. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris right here, and today we're going to be taking a deeper dive onto the Milwaukee 3/8 high-speed ratchet. And this is a whole kit, special buy, which is always a good thing. I purchased it over in Best Buy. For around $200. At the current moment, it costs around $200, which is a steal if you ask me. Did you say Best Buy? Jeez. It even says special buy on the box, but that special buy, I don't believe it. The special buy is $200 on Home Depot at the current moment. If you're watching this video right now on today's date, from whenever on, but that's what I purchased this at. Usually it's costing around like $250. Yeah, not bad, but still. I want to take a look at this and I give my own kind of opinion and just look at everything on it. And let me say one thing. I know for a fact, when my girl sees this, she's going to be mad because I spend more money. But let me tell you something, fellas. If you have a wife and or a girl, she says don't spend your money and you're going to not get this because of her, let me tell you something. What you got to do is you got to take your hand, grab them by the things you got down there, and then take the other hand, get ready for the backswing and tell her, shut up. So here we have our box of the Milwaukee 3/8 high-speed ratchet. This is a kit, if you guys can see, it's all the way down here. So it's a kit. Once again, it's a special buy. It comes with the ratchet, the battery, the bag, and also the charger. All those things come with this kit in particular right here. This is just the front of the box. I got all these stickers on here because I got the lovely people from FedEx to deliver it for me. So I did not go in the actual store and purchase it. I bought it online and got it shipped to me. Top of the box says pretty much the same thing I just said, which is always nice. The M12 fuel Milwaukee. There's the picture of the ratchet 3/8 high speed kit. Recharger, blah blah. Again, the ratchet, charger, bag, and also the battery. Comes with only one battery in it. Backside of the box is just going to explain to you everything about the mechanism as far as the brushless motor that's inside, maybe the actual ratchet head or ratchet size that's compact and whatnot. And just going to tell you all the durability and all that little fun extra stuff in there. So here we're going to start getting some opening done. By the way, we got some tapage. Let's take care of that. Knife. Where's my knife? Huh. Puerto Rican and I should have a knife. Sick. Knife. Ola. We got some POV action of me opening this box. Knives are dangerous, fellas and people. We're gonna pretend like that opens that. I'm gonna take this right on there. Alright. And this is a nice bag, dude. Look at that. Don't need that one. This is really nice. Look at this. Check this bag out, dude. I like. Unzip. And the moment of truth. This might be the wrong way. We're about to find out. Cue the music. So, let's flip this around. And right off the rip, I said we got some paperwork. Tells you literally everything about the Milwaukee lineup tools of the M18s, M12s, and we never need those. We got instructions, and that's only important, really just for the insurance or warranty kind of deal. So, nice little packaging though. We're gonna get rid of this charger. We have some papers that we don't need. Charger's clearly gonna state you got your battery indicators. This basically tells you for the lights as to what's what. I could be wrong. I'll be really honest. I could be extremely wrong, but that's what I know because I actually own the Milwaukee 1/2 inch. So that's kind of like the battery indicators for the charging unit and blah, blah, blah. So yeah. We got our M12 battery here, which is just a battery. I mean, there's nothing to that. And then we have our Behold, our high-speed ratcheting tool in a lovely bag, because we need bags. Like, who are these guys, huh? They think they're professionals, dude? And look at that unit. Oh, locking mechanism? That is a nice feature. This is a really nice unit, man. Is the battery full? Let's see. Battery indicators? No. Sticker in. Where's my battery level indicator? There we go. That is a nice unit. Wait a minute. Loose. They say righty tighty, lefty loosey, but let me tell you something. This is righty loosey, lefty tighty, if you know what I'm saying. Little LED light. If you can see my hand, that's what it's for. To show you where you're, ratcheting. Very nice weight distribution. I can't lie. It's a nice little unit. It really is. Very nice. Very nice. The M12 battery. 2.0? If I'm not mistaken, there's M12 batteries that are bigger. As far as not even just the size, just how, as the size goes, it's bigger. Yeah. This is a nice unit. It's very, I don't know, I just like it. It's well balanced, good quality. It's a small ratcheting head, as I already get some grease on my fingers. You know what they gotta say, lube it up.
Turn that sumbitch sideways and stick it straight up. You can do it.
As far as the unit alone, this is just all the components that we got that came out the bag to try and show you guys a little better. Way the charger works, very standard. You take your battery, right? You take the battery, you stick it right in, and then you, and boom. Those are the battery indicators I was telling you about earlier. If I'm not mistaken, red means it's charging, green means it's charged, and I think this other one is when it overloads, and then this is the battery screwed or toast. I don't know. It's got a whole lot of science, I guess, in here, and that's really that. As far as the actual unit goes, I mean, like I said before, this is a nice quality style unit. I mean, the locking mechanism is pretty neat. I mean, if you ask me, you store this away. Let's say you got the battery still inside the unit, put it in your toolbox. This is not going to make it to where it drains out entirely. So that's nice. A very nice build, yet again. But I'm going to let this battery charge for a little bit. I want to try and get it to the maximum power that I can. And since there's no variable speeds, I suppose, because there really isn't. Looks like it's just one speed. If I'm not mistaken, don't know if I said this. This unit actually has, I believe, 35 foot-pounds of torque. Don't quote me on it. Where's the box? Is that box here? We got about right here. 35 foot-pounds of torque. Really hoping you can see that. And to be really honest, in my opinion, I don't think the amount of torque really does matter for this unit or this tool, because the reality is if you need it to be a little tighter, you're going to get it as snug as can be with the trigger and with the amount of power it has in general, and then maybe use it as an actual ratchet to go a little bit more. That's kind of what you're going to end up using it for. So I'm going to let this bad boy charge, or the battery at least, and we're going to get this to go. We're going to try it on a little snowblower I got. Later on in the future, I might do an update on how the tool performs and whatnot, but just for this particular video, I'm gonna do a quickie, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about when I say quickie. When you go to your girl's house, or your wife, before you go to work, you do a little quickie. Anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna charge. I'm gonna use it a little bit. Show you guys how it is. We got our green indicator. You know what that means. It's charged up, ready to go.
Let's do this.
So here we are in the garage, and I am now going to test this 3/8 ratchet by Milwaukee on my snowblower. And the reason we're using a snowblower as a test run is because, well, to do a whole video with this thing on a, other kind of video, it's, whatever. I think we know what we're trying to go with. We're going to test on this bad boy. We just had a snowstorm, so this is already out compared to being outside in the cold. And it's dark. It's like nighttime, so we're going to give it a shot. And I got it set to max battery, as you can see right on there, indicating that it's full. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how she turns out. One thing I want to mention, what's nice about this a little bit is that the amount of, I guess the trigger action is very light. So you can hit it just a little bit and she already starts to move. And obviously, as you hit the trigger some more, it speeds up. And there you have it. So let's give this a go. We're gonna try this without really torquing anything, like torquing it down, and see if it'll break these loose as is.
What a piece of junk.
Usually, get a little bit. That's already out. Nice. If I can be really honest, I wasn't expecting that. That was really fast. Once again, break loose. And that thing's pretty much about to go loose on itself. Let's tighten her up. It's about 35 pounds. Yo, this thing is nice. I mean, you guys tell me, come on. That's a nice unit, man. That's nice. That really is nice. I like it. I like it. I gotta admit. That was nice. Nice and easy. What do you guys think about that tool? In my personal opinion, I think it's a fantastic little product, especially for the price point. $200 for the whole kit? Tool, bag, charger, battery? Come on. I mean, you can't go wrong on that end. If you ask me, I'd say, especially for the consumer, or even if you're a professional mechanic / technician at a dealership, yo, grab yourself one of these Milwaukee little tools. But as an overall review on this particular product, I gotta give this a really good rating. I mean, if you ask me, I don't know, 8, 9, 9.2 out of 10. I don't know. That's about right for me. I mean, this is a very well-built product. This is just for the first time using it. I'm going to probably be using this a whole lot more with the upcoming jobs / videos I'm going to be doing. I got a whole bunch of things I got to do, and I want to get it done. And I want to get it done as quick as I can, as far as just not wasting a lot of time. This tool is going to probably help me out a lot, and I can't wait. And with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see me a little bit more and some more videos in the future, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. We got a couple more jobs we got going on, and I'll be able to give you a nice updated review video maybe on that particular tool once I really start using it. Until then, it's been your boy Chris Wright. I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para la nube.